In a beautiful underwater kingdom, there lived a wise old turtle named Timmy. Timmy was known for his gentle nature and his trust in others. Timmy was friends with everyone in the ocean. He believed everyone was kind and honest, just like him. But there lived a sneaky octopus named Ollie. Ollie was jealous of Timmy's reputation. He wanted to be the most respected creature in the ocean.
I need to make Timmy look foolish. Then everyone will trust me instead. Dear Timmy, I have a secret. There is a magical treasure hidden in the deepest part of the ocean. It will grant any wish. But we must be careful, as a fearsome shark guards it.
Ollie, you wouldn't lie to me. I trust you. Let's go find the treasure.
Excited about the treasure, Timmy followed Ollie without a doubt. They swam deeper and deeper into the ocean.
This is it. The treasure is just ahead.
Suddenly, Ollie pushed Timmy into a net that he had secretly set up. Timmy was trapped.
Ollie, why did you do this?
Because I want to be the hero. I'll save you. And everyone will think I'm brave and smart.
Just then, other sea creatures arrived. They saw Timmy trapped and Ollie acting like a hero. Everyone praised Ollie.
I trusted you, Ollie.
Timmy's heart was broken. He realized that not everyone is as kind as he is. It took a long time for Timmy to recover. But slowly, he started to understand that trust is important, but it should not be blind.
I learned a valuable lesson. It's okay to trust others, but it's also important to use your own judgment.
The other sea creatures listened carefully. Weeks passed, and life in the ocean returned to normal. One day, there was a grand underwater market. All the sea creatures were excited to buy and sell their treasures. Ollie saw this as an opportunity to regain his reputation.
I will sell the most magical seashells in the entire ocean. They will grant any wish.
Many sea creatures were tempted by Ollie's promises. They bought the seashells, eager to make their wishes come true. Days later, the sea creatures realized that the seashells were ordinary and had no magical powers. They were furious with Ollie for cheating them. Angry shouts and jeers filled the ocean as the sea creatures chased Ollie. He tried to hide, but was easily found due to his distinctive appearance. Finally, the wise old crab, who had always suspected Ollie, declared Ollie a banished outcast. No one was allowed to talk to him or help him. From that day forward, everyone in the ocean learned to be cautious and to think critically before trusting someone blindly. Timmy, though sad about the experience, was respected even more for his honesty and wisdom.
Moral of the story: trust is a precious gift, but it should be given wisely. Always use your own judgment and don't believe everything you hear.